Hello everyone. Today we will know what will happen when you do planks every day. So let's start. 1. Improved core definition. Planks are an ideal exercise for the abdominal muscles because they engage all major core muscle groups, including the transverse abdominis, the rectus abdominis, the external obliques, and the glutes. The importance of strengthening each muscle group cannot be underestimated either, for all of these groups serve their own purpose. If you strengthen these muscle groups, you will notice transverse abdominis, increased ability to lift heavier weights. Rectus abdominis, improved sports performance, particularly with jumping. This muscle group is also responsible for giving you the renowned six-pack look. Obliques, improved capacity for stable side bending and waist twisting, and glutes, a supported back and a strong buttock. 2. Decreased risk of back injury. Doing planks is a type of exercise that allows you to build muscle while also making sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. Planks can strengthen your back muscles and ensure more support and stability for your entire back, especially in the areas around your upper back. 3. Metabolism boost. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises, such as crunches or sit-ups. The core muscles you strengthen by doing this exercise on a day-to-day basis will ensure that you burn more energy, even when sedentary, because they are some of the largest muscles in the body. This is especially important if you are spending the majority of your day sitting in front of a computer. Also, making it a daily home exercise before or after work will not only provide an enhanced metabolic rate, but it will also ensure that your metabolism remains high all day long. 4. Improved posture. Planks have a great impact and improvement on your posture. A strong posture brings with it a huge number of fantastic benefits. It keeps your bones and joints in the correct alignment, which means both your bones and joints will be better maintained, but it also means the overall effectiveness of your muscles will be improved. A good posture will ensure your back or spine is in the correct position, so you will suffer less back pain. On top of everything else, someone with good posture looks healthier and more confident overall. 5. Improved balance. Have you ever felt that when you try standing on one leg, you can't stand up straight for more than a couple of seconds? It's not because you are just clumsy, but rather because your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to give you the balance you need. Many people assume that balance is mostly based on the legs, but most of the work is actually happening in your core as it keeps you stable and upright. By improving your balance by doing side planks and planks with extensions, you will boost your balance and performance in every kind of fitness activity. 6. More flexibility. Flexibility is a key benefit of doing planks regularly, as this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups, shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, while also stretching your hamstrings, the arches of your feet, and the toes. With side planks added to the mix, you can also work on your oblique muscles. This will provide you with further benefits when it comes to hyperextending your toes, a movement that is crucial for supporting your body's weight. 7. Improved mood. Plank exercises have a particular effect on our nerves, making them an excellent means of improving overall mood. This works because they stretch out muscle groups that contribute to stress and tension in the body. Imagine you are sitting in your chair, at home or at work, all day long. Your thigh muscles get tight, your legs get heavy due to being bent for several hours, and tension develops in your shoulders due to being forced to slump forward all day. These are all circumstances that put stress on the muscles and nerves. The good news is that planks not only calm your brain, but they can also treat anxiety and symptoms of depression, but only if you make it part of your daily routine. That's all for today. Hope you have benefited from this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.